Lumel is introducing Inforiver Analytics Plus as a 3-in-1 integrated visualization and storytelling platform with over 50+ charts, KPI cards, and tables in a single Power BI visual. Analytics Plus is designed to help customers migrate legacy dashboards from Tableau, Spotfire, Qlik, Cognos, SAP Lumira, or their static PowerPoint dashboards from ThinkCell or Meco Graphics and consolidate them with Microsoft Power BI. Visual PivotTable for your hierarchical data on all 3 axes like Spotfire. Small multiple and trellis everything like Tableau and Spotfire. Analytics Plus is now the only platform to deliver a game-changing feature, small multiple tables with fully formatted export capability. With Analytics Plus, you can easily split and group measures into trellis panels like Tableau. We also offer storytelling features like ThinkCell and Meco Graphics such as dynamic deviations, CAGR, annotations, series connector lines, automatic series and categorical sorting. Advanced visualizations like box and whisker plot with both dynamic and pre-calculated quartiles along with overlapped box plots and plot forecasts or variances, Meco chart with stacking and 100% scales, and 20 different types of advanced waterfall charts for all your financial use cases. It also offers you with special charts exclusively for storytelling like the slope graph, lollipop and dumbbell, dot plot, arrow and range plots. We will be soon adding bubble scatter, radar polar, pie donut and many more insightful chart types to this Inforiver Analytics Plus visual. Very soon, Analytics Plus will bring an innovative storyboarding feature built in with the visual that will allow casual users to build insightful dashboards and storyboards with just one single visual and a single query on top of your Power BI datasets or semantic models. With this, we envision even casual users building a storyboard in just 5 minutes. Try Inforiver Analytics Plus today.